Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you will see guys by the thumbnail, today we're going to be trialing out VP UK's products that was kindly sent to me. And the vehicle of choice this week is my friend's white VW Scirocco. So as always guys, we always start off with the dirtiest parts of the car, and normally it's the wheels, the arches and the tyres. So we're just going to hit it with the citrus, which was mixed as 10-1 in the IK sprayer. Hit it again with the citrus pre-wash, but on top we're going to use a little bit of their snow foam just for lubricity and just an extra bite cleaning the wheels. And tools of choice, we're going to go in with the EZ barrel brush. Also you would have seen the Easy Go brush for the arches, and a few soft bristle Vicaan brushes. So firstly, we're on to the citrus pre-wash, first base. I mixed this in the IK sprayer 10-1 and sprayed it to the lower third of the car. Now I did allow it to dwell for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I found it worked very well. It did get rid of the dirt and the grime. Next up we have Smother, which is the alkaline snow foam. So as you'll see on screen guys, it says mix 150ml to 200ml of product to a full lance. Now this bottle of 500ml product is £7.95. At the lower dilution rate you're going to get 3 washes out of this bottle. Now it works out by my maths at £2.65 a wash. Now I don't think that is very cost effective, and to be honest with you, I was expecting a little bit more bite and cleaning power from this snow foam, and unfortunately I won't be in a rush to use it again, I'm afraid. But obviously, while the snow foam is dwelling on the car, now is the ideal time to go around and do all your brushwork. Get into all the intricate areas that you can't get with your wash mitt. So around the badges, the window rubbers, the full cap. So going back to the snow foam, I wanted to try it out a little bit more. So I sprayed the snow foam, just the snow foam, directly to my car. Left it to dwell, rinsed off. Then I done a swipe test. And as you'll see, it didn't make any difference at all. So moving on, we're on to Taboo, their pH neutral shampoo. Now as you know guys, this is the home of the Lance supplied snow foam. No 2-bucket wash method will be seen here. So impressions on this shampoo, it applied very well through the Lance. Couldn't really smell anything after filming this video. I did test positive for the old COVID. But yeah, it felt really nice under the wash mitt, nice and silky smooth. It rinsed off very well. And all in all, it probably will feature on the channel again. So now we're on to Decon, which is their fallout remover. So we sprayed this all over the car, and by golly gosh, did this car need a good fallout remover. This car lit up like nothing else. It was glowing purple, as you'll see. So after this stage, we did reapply and wash the car, and we dried it ready for last stage product. So we're on to dry helmet, which is their ceramic sealant. Now I applied a few spritzy sprays to the bonnet, and I worked in at a cross hatch motion. I went up and down and side to side. Now I left this product on the bonnet to sit and cure for 10 minutes. And also it says to apply it a panel at a time. So upon buffing off, it was relatively easy to remove, and it also brought a nice shine to the car. So we thought we'd have to test the water behavior. So there you have it, guys. VP UK. Please go and follow them on socials. I will leave their links down below. Go check them out. Also, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to them for sending me these products. And guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra now.